Welcome to my channel, guys. I was out running errands and then this happened. Let's see that again and in slow motion. Alright, so this is a part of an overpass. I can't stop here because I'll be in traffic, so I go further down and I stop in a turning lane. Now I'm on the phone and I'm waiting for this other guy to pull up behind me or in front of me. At this point, the dispatcher tells me to move further down the road to find a safer spot to be. Alright, here they tell me it'll be about 10 minutes before an officer arrives, and there's still no sign of this other guy. Here's my damage, one broken side mirror. So the cop shows up, I show him the video on site, and I tell him how I'm gonna exact my revenge. So I made it home later on that day, and I start to research the price on replacing this mirror. I'm checking different sites, checking eBay, and the prices are just, ugh. Alright, kidding on that last one. The last one is actually the price on a crazy Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. The color is Verde Ithaca. This car only has 900 miles. It comes with a Novatec suspension, some Vossen wheels that cost $12K, and he also has the $800 fire extinguisher. And it is well out of my price range. So back to reality. So what I need is the mirror, the part that holds the mirror, and I need to replace the actuator. But I have an idea to save some money. Let's take a trip. Alright, we made it. It's time to pull and pay. Alright, there's like a few thousand cars here, and my car is in the very last row. I go there and I find the donor car. Alright, removing this mirror should be pretty easy. I just have to take off this panel, unclip the harness, and get ratchet. Also, you gotta take out this little screw that's holding it in. Got the mirror, and we're out. Here are just some extra shots I took on my way out. Alright, let's get my mirror off. You take off this panel. Unplug the harness. Remove the 3 bolts. Alright, then now you're going to take out the screw and make sure it doesn't fall, because if it falls, look to see if you can see the screw in that little piece that fell. Do you see it? I don't see it. Now I see it. It's right here. Now to open these things up. Alright, the way to take the mirror off is to push it to the inside and then struggle to take it off. For the heated mirrors, you'll have these 2 wires. Just pull them off and remember which one went where. Comparing these two, they're the same. It's just the actuator face came off and is attached to the old mirror plate. To remove the actuator, you just need to remove 3 screws and the harness in the back. After removing the screws, now you need to focus on removing the harness in the back. On to the next. Now you're just going to click that harness in and make sure it's positioned the right way. Put those screws back in. wires for the heated mirror, and we're going to pop the mirror back in place. Putting the mirror back in. Thread the bolts in just to hold everything in place while we tighten everything down. Reconnect the harness and we'll give it a test. Small screw back in, reinstall the interior trim piece, and roll up the window on this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, this guy is still on the loose. Please like and subscribe.